Hey, what's up guys? Christian Gaming here, and today we have the Apple Watch Series 6. I'm super excited about it. As you can see, I have the Series 3 on me. So this is the Series 6, space gray aluminum case and a black sport band, 44 millimeters. Let's check this out. We have this little tab in the back. And now we can just take the wrapper off. We can now open it up to reveal the box. But something a little different here is it does come with the charging cable, but not the block. And they announced that in their new Apple event. It's kind of old news, but I just wanted to point that out if you guys haven't heard of it. So anyways, let's get into the actual watch. Okay, we have the cable. It's the same as the other ones. Basically, you just take that out, take the actual charger out. We have the Apple Watch itself. Before we get to that, I'm gonna open the band. And to do this, you just have to grab this little tab. Now we have access to this. Now we can pull this little box out. There it is. So as you can see, this is the longer one, this is the shorter one. Since my wrists are kind of small, I'm going to be using the shorter one. And we'll see if we have to adjust it. So yeah, there's the bands. And we can slide it in there. So now that we have the bands here, it's finally time to open this up. And here we have the Apple Watch. So we're just gonna pull it out of the paper. And this, just for size, is a 38 millimeter Apple Watch. So just for a comparison, that's quite a lot bigger. Here we have the actual Apple Watch. Slide these bands in, just like this. This video is ending, and this video is starting. Welcome back to the Apple Watch Series 6 unboxing and review. And in this segment, we are going to be doing the review section. So I've been having this on my wrist for about a week and a half or so. There's a few key differences from the Apple Watch Series 3. First of all, it's bigger. This is the 44 millimeter model. This is a 38 millimeter model. You can just imagine how much of a difference that makes. And apart from that, another thing I've noticed is the scroll wheel is a lot more smooth, a lot more haptic than this. The side button, it's out a lot, rather than this being in the watch itself. A lot more tappy than this. This also has blood oxygen, which I don't have because I'm not over 18. However, it is a pretty cool feature for people who need that. Another thing for this is this doesn't have that. Another thing with this is it has an Ecg feature, which I've done a lot of times. It checks for atrial fibrillation, I think it's called. This doesn't do that. Another thing that this doesn't have is hand washing. It doesn't have hand washing. It doesn't have those notifications or the sensors. Another thing with this is it doesn't have fall detection. This screen is square, while for the past few years we've had the rounder screen. Well, a big part of that is the limitations of the watch faces for this guy. I've seen all these new watch faces and I've been like, dang, I wish I had that. Well, now I don't have to say that anymore because I do. Yay. Right now I'm using the Infograph watch face. I really like it. I taught myself to learn analog clocks. It's really useful. It has a bunch of other things too, like Memoji. It has, the Meridian, Infograph modular compact. It has a bunch of things that this guy didn't. It's great. I really don't have any complaints with this Apple Watch. All in all, I'm really enjoying having this. I definitely recommend it if you're going up from a Series 3 or earlier. So, that does it. I'll see you guys in the next one, and as always, see ya and peace.